There's many different types of denture options that we have. If you have a denture, how would you like to have that denture locked in place so it doesn't move and so you can eat everything that you love to eat? Or how would you like to not have a denture and have a total tooth replacement? Now there's All-on-4, which I've done for many, many years, but now we have something even better. That's half the cost of that, and it's as good, but I really would say it's better than the All-on-4 case. With doing that, it's like you have your own teeth back again, or maybe even better than your natural teeth were. It's very dramatic, and again, it's half the cost of the same-day teeth, or otherwise known as All-on-4 or All-on-X case.